Okay, so I had installed these automatic lock actuators. The whole Jeep was nothing but manual locks the whole way. My wife got tired of locking and unlocking each door individually. It came 4 with a master on the driver's side, but all you heard was the locks lock and unlock. It didn't have any visual indication. So I used some red LED strips that I used to replace the footwell lights with, and came up with this idea. So locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked. So I thought that would be a nice visual representation of where the doors are locked or unlocked from at least seeing the front of the vehicle. Have a good day.